Moroi makadini tinokuchingamidzai pa Shonaland. Hi, how are you? Welcome to Shonaland. Today we are going to be giving you more words of nature words in Shona. This is a response to our dear subscriber who asked for more words and how to pronounce them. A shout out to you, Glenn, and thank you very much for your support. Let's get started with today's lesson. Autumn. Matsutso. Matsutso. Clouds. Makore. Makore. Earth. Panyika. Panyika. Or the second word, pasirose. Pasirose. Planet. Pasirose. Pasirose. Or Nyika. Nyika. Planet and Earth have got the same translation in Shona, so don't get mixed there. Flood. Mafashama. Mafashama. Ice. Chando. Chando. Or ice can be described in a manner of using a descriptive statement like mvura yakaoma nechando. Mvura yakaoma nechando. Chando in Shona is also coldness. Coldness can be translated as chando as well. So ice, coldness, it's all translated using the same word. Moon. Mwezi. Mwezi. Stars. Nyeredzi. Nyeredzi. Sky. Denga. Denga. Season. Mwaka. Mwaka. Rain. Mvura. Mvura. Or the second word, kunaya. Kunaya. Some of you might be getting mixed up now that we might have taught you that water is also translated as mvura. Mvura. So now the reason why rain is also called mvura in Shona is because rain comprises of water, and we also give the same translation as water. Or we can use what the water will be doing as in raining. So now that's called kunaya. Kunaya. Slit. Chimvura mabwe. Chimvura mabwe. Snow. Chando. Chando. Winter. Nguva yechando. Nguva yechando. Spring. Chirimo. Chirimo. Sun. Zuva. Zuva. Sunshine. Kubwinya kwezuva. Kubwinya kwezuva. Shine there is translated to kubwinya. Kubwinya. And kwezuva means the shining of the sun. Temperature. Mamiriro ekunze. This is temperature in relation to the outside world, so, or nature. So when we say what's the temperature outside, we will be saying mamiriro ekunze akadini. So temperature is mamiriro ekunze. Tree or trees. Miti. Miti is the plural in Shona for trees, and muti. Muti is the singular for tree in Shona. Waterfall. Mawira emvura. Mawira emvura or popoma. Popoma. You can use this word when you are describing maybe Victoria Falls that is in Zimbabwe. You can say let's say you want to say I went to Victoria Falls. In Shona you can say ndakaenda kumapopoma Victoria. Ndakaenda kumapopoma Victoria. Animal. Muka. Muka. Bird. Shiri. Shiri. Branch. Bazi. Bazi. Bush. Sango. Sango. Fish. Hove. Hove. Flower. Ruva. Ruva. Fungus. Hoa. Hoa. Some of you might have heard that mushroom is also called hoa. This is because mushroom is in the fungus family. So now we have different names for different mushrooms. Even in Shona we also have different names for different mushrooms. For example, in English you can say we have white button mushroom or oyster mushroom. In Shona we also have different kinds of mushrooms like tsuke tsuke or wetsuke tsuke, going on like that. So don't be confused here, as we are teaching you that fungus is also called hoa. Grass. Uswa. Uswa. Insects. Mbuyu. Mbuyu. That's the first word. The second word is tupuka. Tupuka. Leaf. Shija. Shija. Moss. Chitseme. That's the first word. Chitseme. The second one is ukwindi. Ukwindi. The third is unjere. Unjere. Mud. Daga. Daga. Or it now depends with the dialect which you are using. Some will say daka. Daka. The only difference there is G and K. Path. Nzira. Nzira. Plant. Chirimwa. Chirimwa. Or you can say chisimwa. Chisimwa. Lake. Dziva. Dziva. Rock. Dombo. Dombo. That's the first word. The second one is ibwe. Ibwe. Sand. Jecha. Jecha. Shrub. Gwenzi. Gwenzi. Soil. Ivu. Ivu. Beach. hombe kombe, hombe kombe. Cave, bako, bako. Cliff, materu, materu. Coast, hombe kombe, hombe kombe. Desert, gwenga, gwenga. Environment, naraunda, naraunda. Field, munda, munda. Or bindu, bindu. Forest, sango, sango. Hill, gomo, gomo. Island, chitsuwa, chitsuwa. Land, nyika, nyika. Middle, mundwa, mundwa. Mountain, gomo, gomo. Ocean, nyanza, nyanza. River, rwizi, rwizi. Sea, gungwa, gungwa. Valley, nika, nika. Thank you very much for joining us on today's video. We hope to see you next time. Thank you.